Welcome to my crypto channel. In this short video I will talk about a brand new BNB miner on the Binance Smart Chain, paying out 8% daily interest, but unlike other miners, this one has no developer or compounding fee if you use the contract. There's only a 10% tax if you claim or sell your BNB, and this tax goes straight into the contract balance. I am in their Telegram group, and the developer is a smart guy that knows what he's talking about. He will be launching different miners, but this is the first one. The other miners will be on AVAX, Polygon and the Phantom network. This is a baked beans fork that pays out 8% daily in BNB, but the big difference is that there are no fees involved. The developer is paying his own fees, so that's pretty unique. There's only 400 BNB in the balance so far, so you are still very early. As with all these dapps, the earlier you get in, the more miners you get for your money. The interface looks very basic. Nothing fancy here. Connect your wallet, put in your BNB, compound for 6 days and withdraw your interest on day 7. It's the best strategy to use with these miners. You also get a referral link, and when someone uses your link, you get 10% of the deposit and compounds. It's that simple. I will put in some risk capital here. Nothing much, just some play money that I earned from other dapps, and we'll see how it goes. I will drop my referral link below. If you like my content, please use my link to support the channel. It will be much appreciated. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section, or join my Telegram group to find out about the latest dapps first. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. I hope you enjoyed my video. Leave a comment below or contact me if you have any questions in my Telegram group. Please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.